back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be doing this soft girly glam for the holidays, and most of the products were affordable. There were like a couple that were high-end, but mostly affordable products. And this will be the first of 5 videos that I'm posting this week. And yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this soft girly and beautiful glam for the holidays, please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the Wet n Wild Starlux eyeshadow quad in Let's Get Astrophysical, and I'm gonna be using this light peachy shade, and I'm gonna use that as a transition shade. It has a little bit of glitter, but I don't mind it because this is a very soft and girly look, so I don't mind the glitter. Plus it's a look for the holidays, so glitter, it's perfect for the holidays. So I didn't set my concealer as always, but you can if you want to. Next, I'm gonna be using the Starlux eyeshadow quad from Wet n Wild, but in Jupiter Recognize, and I'm gonna be using this shade right here. I already used both of these palettes on another video, which I'll link over here, but I wanted to use the Let's Get Astrophysical on a video because I like the 4 shades and they were very light and girly. So I'm gonna apply that burgundy shade with an angle brush, if I can find it because I was using it. And I'm gonna apply it like if it was liner, and then I'll blend it. And I'm also gonna apply a little bit to the inside of the crease. Okay, so for primer, I'm gonna be using Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer in matte. This is one of my favorites. I'm gonna be using the BH Cosmetics Naturally Flawless Foundation in the shade Golden Toffee, and I'm gonna apply it with a brush first, and then I'm gonna go in with the blender to blend everything nicely. Lip plumping gloss. I've been saying in my previous videos, like, it really, I don't see any like difference on plump, but after I take it off and I apply my regular lipstick, I really feel the moisture, if that makes sense. So that's why I've been using that still. Okay, next I'm gonna be using the LA Colors Ultimate Cover Concealer in the shade Wheat. I really like this concealer. The only thing I don't like is the smell, but the smell goes away, so honestly I can keep using it. I don't really mind it. I can't believe that my baby's about to be 2 months old. That's crazy. I really like this concealer. I got it at Five Below, and of course it was less than $5. So, and you can like build it up to be full coverage, so that's really why I like it, and it doesn't feel dry. Okay, and then I'm gonna apply a little bit of the Rare Beauty liquid blush in Joy. I really love this shade, but I should have gone for the Happy one because of the eye look, you know, to be more pinky, but that's okay. I'm gonna blend it with the brush and then with the blender. And I saw this technique on TikTok to apply it on this side right here of your face, so you get a more lifted effect instead of a more rounded shape when you apply it on your apples of your cheeks. And I know it looks really harsh right now, but it will look better when we blend it out. And whatever's left on the brush, I'm gonna apply it to my nose. This foundation and the concealer look so good. Plus I love the primer, and I believe it's less than $5, so it's so good. Next I'm gonna set my face, and I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder, which I used in my previous video, and I really loved how it looked. But I mean, all the products were e.l.f. So we'll see how it looks with this foundation and this concealer. But you guys know that my all-time favorite is the Wet n Wild Blue setting powder, but I want to try different ones from the drugstore because I want to show you guys different stuff, because maybe the Wet n Wild one doesn't work for everybody, but for me it works so good. And it's such a big portion of powder for like, I think it's 5 something, so you can't really go wrong with that powder. I know that e.l.f. has this powder on a matte version, but this one's really good. It mattifies your face, but it's still glowy, if that makes sense. And for bronzer, I'm going to be using the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Prime Infused Blush in the shade Always Cheeky, which is this one. I don't really need it, but why not? Now I'm gonna set my makeup with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer Water. Use the cucumber one. Now I'm gonna go off camera and apply my lashes, and then I'll be back for a highlight, under eye, and lips. I'll be right back. Okay, and for highlight, I'm gonna be using the Ofra in Rodeo Drive. For the lower lash line, I'm going to be applying the same colors as on my eyes. And to line my lips, I'm going to be using the LA Color Perfect Precision Lip Liner in Sugar and Spice, which is this one. And I'm going to fill them in as well, because I'm only going to use a gloss. And then for the gloss, I'm going to be using, I got this Wet n Wild lip glosses from their holiday collection, but I didn't use it on my previous video that I used the palettes, so I wanted to use it for this one. Since it's a very soft glam, I just want to use gloss and lip liner. Do you hear Dominic? I mean, I don't know if you could hear it, but... And I'm using it in the shade Honeymoon. It looks like this. I've never used Wet n Wild lip glosses though. And it has a lot of glitter. But I like it because you don't feel them on your lips like other lip glosses. You can, with other lip glosses that have glitter, you can actually feel the glitters. I love it. I have another shade. I'm gonna apply the other shade on the center of my lips just to see how it looks. You guys can have an idea of which one you would like to get, because I know that they're still selling these on the website, and I believe they have free shipping if you spend like $30 or something like that. So if if you want to get the collection, I really like recommend the collection. The next shade that I'm gonna apply, it's called Lunar or Later, and it's like a clear um, lip gloss with glitter, and so creamy. This one has more purple and blue glitters, while the other one has more like gold glitter. I really like how they look. Okay guys, so that's it for this tutorial. This is the first one of 5 that I'm gonna be posting during Christmas week. So this is the softer look for all my girls and guys that like softer glams, and most of the products were affordable, so that's good as well. And yeah, this is a more softer and girly glam, so I really love how the eyes came out. I really like this shade um, for the eyes, like this tones for the eyes. I really enjoy them. Make sure to like, comment, and share this video. And yeah, please share so I get to 200 before the year ends, because that's my goal for the end of the year. And yes, thank you all so much for tuning in today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you.